Are we ready to begin? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3.
Yes, the creatures of the sea, blessed this person I call me. Bless the peace you make so grand. Bless the sun that warms the land. Bless the fellowship we feel as we gather for this meal. I can hardly stand the wait, please breakfast don't be late.
Amen. All right, midweek stop here in Marathon. We had shore power last night. We had air conditioning on the boat, so everybody slept down below, and it was kind of nice actually. It's also nice to be walking on something that's not moving. First time in like 4 days we've done that. So today we're packing up and headed back north, east, whichever. I can't figure out which way the keys run. Anyway, we're headed back over towards from Marathon up towards lower Matecumbe. So more snorkeling today, although I think the wind's been up and it's probably pretty wavy out on the ocean. So we'll see how all that works and what we can do to get in the water again. More to come. One more full day on the water to go. With all our laundry hanging out, we look like some sort of gypsy wagon. No offense to any gypsies.
Okay, guys, one last look at the wind direction. Looks like it even kind of picked up. Okay, David, go ahead and throw that line to Joe. Now come on back to where Peter's at. You guys gonna give a push off? Hey, Peter, push up the tow rail. Alrighty. Go ahead and throw that line. Alright, Douglas coiling that all in. Alright, boys, get ready to hop in before that gets too far. Come on. Make room.
Yay, we got them all.
Alright.
I mean, we got them all.
Get ready to push off. Over here. Hey, Joe,
Piling.
push up the pylon.
Get the piling. Time. Just because I've had too much work to do all the editing. When not working sales,
Say Prinkle, please.
eat Prinkles.
Prinkle, please.
Can I have a barbecue Prinkle, please?
The Prinkles are everywhere.
Thank you.
Just
grass.
one. Any fish on yet?
Yeah, just dragging along.
Is it a...
Didn't want to fight it, so I figured when we got back on board, I'd reel it in.
They should be plenty exhausted by then.
Back. Somebody want to hold on to this rod for 10 minutes?
So I know this one.
It's coming to show you how to do it.
I know this one. This one.
Mark, you
This
look
one?
thrilled.
This one.
Can I show him an algorithm
This
that I
one?
bet you know?
This one.
Can I bother one of the abbots to move? I don't care which one, just so I get in the water.
If our calculations are right, we have 1.5 feet between the top of the mast and the bottom of this bridge. Calculations must have been right. Nice driving, Peter. Our peaceful evening swim is being interrupted
My board.
by
I heard you going through forest.
No, you gotta stay facing away.
I like to take pictures through a tube and pretend that it's something.
There are elephants.
Buff!
Go get it. This rain. More water.
You were wet when you came in here.
Alright, Joe,
Wow.
lean your head back.
And now you're getting the only thing that can dry you off.
Lean your head back. Like,
My head. I don't like where this is
no,
going.
that will be good.
It's raining! Ooh, baby, it's raining! Wait, it's raining? I had no idea.
Tim, I don't like this.
No, it's fun. No, wait, lean your head back more.
Short. Lobster.
Lobster!